Hello everyone, how are you all? This is Ila Anantacharya, a certified life coach and a law of attraction coach, and your friend as well. So today I have recorded one video prior to 5 minutes before, and that was based on the all the good news from my team, that is Mind, Body and Soul, that Mohit Tahilian is. First India's first online law of attraction school, and I have shared all the good news on that previous video. Now, as I have mentioned in my video that according to the priority list, I will always work according to that. And today again I have grabbed this opportunity of this time which is available to me, and as now onward my priority is to upload videos on my YouTube channel, so I'm doing the same. So first of all, today's topic, I was just thinking about topic because I have not prepared anything, and I was just before starting only this video, I have just uh, thought of the topic which I want to share with you. So today's topic is consistency is the key. Actually, the thing is that I have, during this entire 1 month, I have phone counseled almost more than 30 students, and there were few students who were already a part of, 31-day Mind Power Magic workshop. Which is Mohit signature workshop, and they have already done that workshop not even one time, twice and thrice. Still they were having certain problems in their life, still they were finding it difficult to manifest their dreams and goals. So I have come across these many students and these problems, and I have given them the solution that the first thing which you have to do is to become consistent in your practices, because consistency is the key. And that I'm not just saying just like that, because I am following it since 2010. Frankly speaking, into December 2010, I came across the secret book, the secret movie. Then I read the power book, the magic, the hero. And then I have read many books based on the same concept of law of attraction, the power of your subconscious mind, and all various books and videos. And I have attended various seminars and webinars also based on the same topic. So each and every book, each and every webinar and seminar has suggested this, that consistency is the key. And I also suggest my students the same thing, that see, if you want to achieve something, if you want to reach to a certain place, consistency is the key. That is, you have to do that practice consistently. Gratitude practice I'm doing since 2000 December 2010 till date, and I have, as I've shared you, that I have made this resolution that I'm going to write a single one page of my diary every day, and I'm going to read one chapter from the books I have just brought every day, and that I'm doing, and I'm happy with it, that I shared that with you, which reminds me every day that yes, I have to do this practice, I have to continue with my gratitude and my reading habit. So that is helping me. And so I was coming to this point that every day you have to do certain practices. Gratitude is the best attitude, and you have to do it daily. So there are various ways of doing gratitude. It is not like you can only write the gratitude, you can feel the gratitude, you can you can just while eating, while drinking, while moving, like there are various practices. That is, we can have magic rock as one of the practice of gratitude. We can have a gratitude footstep, that is magical footsteps. While we are walking, we can say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That is always given in the magic book. So it is up to you what feels comfortable to you, writing or just memorizing it or just saying it while walking, while sleeping, even before going to sleep, even before whenever you have some meeting, you have some time, any moment, any 5 minutes, 10 minutes you get in the entire day, you can be grateful, you can be in that consistency mode. So I do it 24 cross 7 every day, while drinking water, while eating, while cooking, while doing my household work. I'm always having in this grateful mood, grateful attitude. So that helps me to manifest my desires, dreams very easily. And also we feel relaxed, cool, calm. Yes, the things are on the way, the process is going on. We don't become anxious, we don't become desperate why the things are not coming, why I have to feel lack of this, and all that negative things will not come to us. So there are so many examples. Every day you eat, that is consistently three times, even we eat three times. In the morning we have breakfast, lunch and dinner, and in between we also keep on grabbing something. So why do we eat? We need to have strength, we need to have energy, we need to do all this household work and all the office work, and to live we need to eat, and that we are doing consistently every day. No doubt we have fast certain times, we do certain various things, we sometimes don't eat because of these and that, but consistently we are doing it. That is the reason we are growing. The growth, our growth is based on the consistent eating habit which we have uh, carried out throughout the years since we were born. Consistently we are doing everything since we wake up in the morning, the brushing the teeth and everything, taking good care of ourselves. All this should like a consistent process is there. So it helps us to grow, it helps us to maintain our physical health, mental health, spiritual health in a proper manner, in a perfect position. So that is the key to for law of attraction, for manifesting dreams, for achieving your goals, dreams and desire faster. Be consistent, whatever you like to do, be consistent in it. Even if you like reading, at least read for 5 minutes. Even if you like writing, at least write one page, but do it every day. That is slowly and steadily. You will come to a point where you will do it for for your love and for your passion, and then it will help you to grow more. So this is the point I want to convey. And if you want to know more about us, that is Mind Body and Soul team, we are there on the website, Mohit Daheliani's website. And again, I'm going to just share few good news. That is free counseling, free workshop, 7 days free workshop. Then from February we are going to have 31-day mind power magic workshop and soulmate workshop as well. Discounts for the students who have already been a part of Mind Body and Magic Power workshop, and discount for the students who are new but who can enroll before January 15, 2022. They can get the discounts. All the details will be available on Mohit's website. And if you need some more information, you can message me as well, comment over here. I'll be providing with my email ID and all that. So thank you so much. And I'm really very happy and really very grateful that I can consistently upload my videos every day, and what I am teaching I can also follow that in my life. I'm really very happy with that. And there are many good news coming on your way, many magical success stories of the phone counseling sessions, many magical stories of the 7 days workshop, free workshop, many magical success stories of 31-day magical workshop, many magic stories of the 365 destiny tuning will be coming to you. Also Mohit has this very wonderful workshop once in a year he launches about the coaching, life coaching workshop. So that is one of the magical success stories. Me myself, I am the output, the first I think the first student to come out from that life coaching workshop of 6 months. So if you can, if you really want to go out for that also, you can. So everything is available. You just need to contact us and we'll be very grateful to help you. We'll welcome you in our community, in our magical community, in our world, magical world. Thank you so much. Bye bye.